this is part 3. Let's make the paper wax cracking. So, here's the trash bag I'm gonna be using so I don't make a mess. Don't want to make a mess. Guys, I literally love the feeling of this. I'm so sad I had a hole. I don't remember if I told you guys or not, but yeah, I got a hole. But at least the dumpling. I love the sound of it. Imagine it just look at it. It looks like it has so many pimples all over it. And then the split splat. Can't even squish it. Also, the spec was terrible because it didn't even have a squish. Okay guys, let's just get to the paper wax cracking. I need actual paper, not writing paper, but tissue paper and water and squishies, obviously. I'm gonna snap and it's all gonna be on this plate. Well, I'm just gonna cover the camera. Boom, guys, we have water in this cup and we have some paper towels. That's quite a lot. Let's get some squishies to make. I think I might actually do my strawberry again. Guys, look at my hands. Okay, I have to go fast. Oh, look. Okay, I really like that. I'm gonna do that one first. So let's get a little paper. I'm gonna speed up the rest so y'all don't have to see the whole time. I put them in the freezer. Come back for part 5 for the wax cracking finale. Or part 4, I don't remember.